Buy chestnuts that are not very old. Old chestnuts will take long time to germinate or they may not germinate at all. Select chestnuts that are firm and plump with no crack. To simulate suitable, soak the seeds in water for 24 hours. Discard any floating seed, it is not good for germination. Take a paper towel and fold seeds in it. Spray some water to dampen the paper. Now wrap it in a polythene sheet. Now the most important step for success. To simulate suitable conditions for germination, the seeds need stratification by putting them in cold environment for 4 to 12 weeks. The seeds may germinate without this step if the chestnuts in the store have come from the cold storage. But you never know, so this step will ensure success. Place the bag in refrigerator. After 4 weeks, check the seeds every week to see if they started to sprout. Throw away any seeds with fungus. Change the paper if mold develops. It is now 5 weeks. Let me open the bag. All the seeds have germinated. They are now ready for planting in the soil. Take a small pot having drainage holes. Mix some river sand in the soil to make it free draining. Fill the pot with this soil mixture. Place the seed flat on the soil and cover with about 2 inches of soil mixture. Spray some water and place the pot in shade at a warm place. Keep soil damp. This is the seedling after 2 weeks. Place the pot where it can receive morning sun. Water daily. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.